Hi friends, today we are going to unbox Orion LED table lamp battery backup model E2002 product purchased through Amazon. Check the description for the Amazon link. Specifications are 6 amps LED lamp. Battery comes with a 1200 mAh battery. It is a rechargeable. Working time with the low brightness up to 5 hours, with high brightness up to 1.5 hours. Okay, let us open the box. Product packed in a smooth cover. This is an instruction manual. And micro USB cable. Front two touch buttons available. Back side charging port and product on off switch is available. Bottom product specifications. Flexible lamp holder, easy to rotate 360 degrees. It has a phone holder and pen holder. Double touch switch to control main lamp and night lamp. Main lamp 3 steps, low, medium and high level. Night light is only on off. Let us charge the micro USB and connect to laptop. The red indicates charging. When it is full, it shows green. Charging time 3 hours. We have a micro USB cable suitable for mobile chargers, laptops, computers. Come with standard warranty. I kept it on my work table. Very less space required. Good lighting. 3 modes of lighting we have. Suitable for all kind of desktops. Thank you very much, friends. Please subscribe, share and like the video.